Hello friends, welcome to my Joomla 3.x module development series episode 2. In the previous episode, we have learned how to create a minimal Joomla module using basic PHP knowledge. And in this episode, we will learn how you can add Joomla template file in your module so that you can separate your display logic or view logic. And that is the recommended way. And in the future episode, we will learn how you can maintain the business logic and the display logic into a separate file in your module. So let's start the module development using template file. So earlier we used this architecture, okay, or file structure to create our module, and now we will use this folder or file structures to create our module using template file. So what we are doing, we are creating a template folder, and inside that we are putting a default.php file and this blank.index.html for security purpose. Now whatever display logic we were writing this file will actually place this logic to default.php file. So this will work as a router. It will take the request and display the content from this file. So if you have not watched my previous episode, please watch this episode first because we will continue from there. So first, we will actually copy our episode 1 and make this as episode 2. Now let's say rename this episode 2. So what we are introducing in episode 2 is extra folder is tmpl, that is template directory, and inside we have two files. One is like index.html to prevent directory listing, and another is default.php. Now earlier on the main hello.php we have written this display logic. So it might be your complex form, slider, or anything, login form, it's up to you. Now what you are displaying, which is like we are calling like view file, so that logic we will place in this file. But this is also a PHP file, so we should follow this Joomla syntax. So first you will check whether this file is actually calling by Joomla or somebody is trying to access using URL. So if somebody is trying to access using URL, they will be blocked. But if Joomla is accessing, definitely you will allow. So that's why we have given this code. Now welcome to my hello module, and from Joomla module template file. Okay, so now by default Joomla not able to understood to call your template file. First you need to specify these files in your mod XML configuration. Let me delete this installer. So on the mod hello XML we will define two files. One is default.php, another is index.html to include in our module package or module extension, you can say. So here we have like tmpl slash index.html and then tmpl slash default.php. Okay. Now as we have already installed our modules and we are installing these things on top of our module, so we will make sure you are changing this version because this is a new module. So I am changing these versions to 1.0.1 or 2.0, it's up to you. So we have included our required file in the mod underscore hello.xml file. Now what else needed? Because this file, when Joomla will render the module, Joomla don't know like whether you wanted to include your default layout file or not. So what we have, Joomla provides some module helper file, and using that helper file we will include our default template file. So we will use require now module helper and get layout path and give your module name is mod_hello. This is the things is needed, and using this Joomla will able to understood, oh, I need to include a default template from this module, which is this is the file. So let's quickly create a zip of this module and we will try to install. Basically it will update. So episode 2, and if we click compress, oh sorry, one more thing, in index.html file we should put some this content, because if you are using some version control, it will not include it, so it's better to put some content, as well as it will display some white page, so user won't be able to see any kind of listing. So let me delete this one and create a new mod_hello. This is like new versions which we have already defined in the mod_xml file. This is older one, this is the one. Now let's go to the backend, and if we go to the extension, manage and install, and here we are gonna drag this zip file to this place. As I have already installed the module, so it will upgrade the existing one, and if we don't have, then it will install from fresh. So if I go to the manage and search the specific module, now we should be able to see our new version. Let's search with the hello. And here you can see our version is this one. So definitely all the files actually Joomla copied, okay. And if we go to the home page, earlier we were seeing these things. Now if we refresh, here you can see welcome to my hello module and from Joomla module template file. So we learn actually how you can separate your display logic and how you can put your display logic inside this default file, and you can call that layout file using module helper. Okay, and in the next episode we will learn how you can place your business logic in the Joomla module helper file, and then we are gonna get the business logic from the Joomla module helper file and pass to the layout file. So thank you for watching and see you on the next tutorial.